good to go. Plumbing is going good, guys. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing to see your own house being built from ground up. Wow. Wow. These men are working. They are working it. Get it from this angle. Plumbing is getting real, guys. We had to take up all those rocks over here and for him to dig his hole to put the line. The pipe going up there. So guys, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about my home, guys. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Okay guys, we're gonna do a recap what we did for today. So we did the plumbing for the house. So this is where the well pump is at. It's behind this wall right here. So they ran their pipe. This is their pipe right here with the purple thing on it. So that's going to be going to the pump. Let me show you where the pump is at right now. Okay, we come around and this is where our well pump and everything is in here. That's where the well pump is. So this is where they ran the pipe. And we left this open. My first inspection is gonna be the plumbing. So they just finished the plumbing and they left this trench open because some inspectors want to see where the pipes are joined and if they're joined properly. So that's why he just put this thing over it right here. And if you look down in the inside of it down here, you'll see where the pipes are joined down here. So some inspectors want to see that. So that's why the trench is left open. Go on up here and show you the rest of the plumbing. Okay, so let's mark out my home here. So we have one bedroom right here. This is one bedroom right here. And we're gonna have these blue things up like that. That's like 2 pipes that's gonna be running outside. So we're gonna have 2 outside pipes right here. This is where the main pipe is coming in. We're gonna have an outside pipe here, and then we're gonna have an outside pipe right here. And then this is the bathroom between the 2 bedrooms right here. So this is the bathroom between the 2 bedrooms right here. And then we're gonna have the laundry and the half a bath. So that's a half a bath with the sink down here. And this is the laundry right here. And this is the dining area right here. Front door right here coming in. Kitchen. This is the kitchen right here for this this pipe for the sink for the kitchen. And all here is the kitchen. And let's go on over here. Right between here, so will be the den. We got the pipes running along here. Let's come on over here. That's the my bathroom, the master bathroom. So here and here is gonna be the closet. And then if you go down, you're gonna have the his and her sink. Then you're gonna have the toilet down in the corner down here. That's gonna be enclosed. And then you're gonna have the shower, that white down here. You're gonna have that's a shower down here. And then this is our bedroom here again. Walking through our bedroom here onto the patio, which is right here. And the patio is gonna be big enough, and it's gonna run all the way down this way because it's gonna cover the other door that you come out to go out in the back. It's gonna cover the other door. So yep, that's our house, guys, right here. And that's my dog here running around. Hey, Roxas, come on, let's go. So that's what was done for the day. We had the footing, right? We had the footing, which is all the boards that lined up the house, and then we had our plumbing. So our inspection will be coming next for our plumbing. And I'll let you guys know how that went. My underground, the rough plumbing underground is passed. The inspection is passed, and now the guys came back and they dug around the footing, as you see around there. They dug around the footing here, and now my guy is back and he is taking some inches off of the porch area here. So that's the progress right now. And then another guy is gonna come back. The plumbing guy is gonna come back, and he is gonna close up this trench right here. So that's where we're at right now, guys, with our building. And then we'll have more work here in the footing, the slab. I mean the slab for the home here. We have to compact it, so we have to rent something and compact the inside here, the inside area where they covered back up the plumbing. And then we're gonna have the other guys that come in and start putting in the steel. And then before they put the plastic on the slab, then we're gonna have it treated for termites. And then we're gonna have another inspection. So this is where we're at, guys, right here. Okay, guys, see the area where the plumbing runs to the well over here. It's been covered up. We had to drive from here all the way around our shed and come around and come out to go out to exit the property. So right now everything is being covered back up now and we are good. There we go. There we go. So everything is coming in place, guys, and progressing. And progress is going good on our land in building the home. Yep.